Hi everyone, this is ID here again. Today, I just came back from the University of Sydney Business School welcome event for semester 2, and I've been invited as one of the alumni speaker, giving students who are studying semester 2 a word of advice and also share some of my stories to empower their journey at the University of Sydney. And I thought it would be a good opportunity for me to also record this and share with my subscribers. So if you're a university student, you would have received a same level of advice for those who were present during the event. So without further ado, let's get started. My overarching advice for students was saying yes to opportunities and staying really open-minded. One of the reasons why I was able to be where I am at and be in the position I'm at right now is because I really stayed open-minded and said yes to any opportunities that came to me throughout the degree. I realized that at the university, opportunities don't come to you, but rather you have to find them yourself. You have to seek them. It's a different landscape to high school or somewhere else before you join tertiary education. University is a big landscape. There are tons of opportunities, but they are not necessarily there looking for you. So what I did was I stepped out, I asked different people with different opportunities, I expressed my interest with everything that I'm passionate about. So a couple of opportunities that I said yes to were societies. Like I said in my previous video, please join a society. That's where numerous opportunities get flooded into you. Whether that's through people, that's through an event or an offering, there will be countless number of things where you can sign up to, which will definitely benefit your student experience. Second thing that I said yes to was internship and work integrated learning. For example, at the University of Sydney, I undertook Industry Placement Program, in short IPP, where I embarked on 10 weeks of internship during my degree. That's where I was able to acquire some corporate experience, internship and work experience, but at the same time, good opportunity to apply the theory and knowledge that I learned from the classroom into practice. And another thing that I said yes to was all these volunteering and extracurricular involvement, whether that's participating in USU Welcome Festival, organizing a donation or a charity campaign, volunteering as a social media marketer for one of our clients in my society. Serving as a business school mentor was another thing that I said yes to, which was part of a volunteering. And all these opportunities all shaped who I am and became a good stepping stone for me to jump into corporate experience, work experience, internships. Second advice that I gave to students revolved around relationships. Yes, relationships. I think one of the biggest assets, I don't want to make relationships sound like a commodity or an expense, but relationships were one of the biggest and the most valuable asset that I had and that I still have, which I gained from the university. Through societies, work experience, just being in the same tutorial class and lecture room, I made so many friends and established so many relationships that really helped me in my career. Some people helped me directly, getting good grades, being a good team member in my group assignments, but also some really helped me, especially those senior friends, and they gave me some hot tips and tricks in terms of getting good grades and also which societies I should join, which units I should take in my following semester. Furthermore, industry connections and networks that I built during my university degree definitely helped me secure valuable work experience positions that I am partaking right now. And university is a perfect platform, and I would say area or a time where you can meet thousands of people who come from thousands of different backgrounds. So use this time to network. Even though you're an introvert, it is totally fine to just say, can you tell me more about your role? Can you tell me more about your experience? Can you give me some tips on topic XYZ? That's it. That's literally the question that you need to ask, and probably those people who are willing to help will be more than enough extroverted to give you that support and facilitate the conversation. And my last piece of advice was gain global experience. Especially now that we're in 2023, when pandemic is officially over, university students have the privilege to explore the world and make the world your campus. I have no regret going on a study abroad program, and all my vlogs are here on my channel. But anyways, please sign up for any global opportunities, whether that is a 2-week short program for one subject, whether that's just studying a language, or if it's a non-exchange or exchange program where you get to go to an international institution for about 6 months or even a year. please sign up because they will definitely widen the spectrum of how you perceive work, how you perceive the world and your life, but also leads to shaping the unique story that you want to sell in your interview. I will make a separate video that talks about all the benefits of going on an international experience, but if there isn't any opportunity where you can sign up to these programs, please do. So as a summary, if I go through those 3 points, number one, staying open-minded and saying yes to all the opportunities unless you hate it from the bottom of your heart. But I don't think you will know what you hate unless you try it. Secondly, build relationships because these relationships will be one of the biggest takeaway from that 4-year university degree. And lastly, embark on any global opportunities. If you tick all these 3 boxes, I'm sure you would have had fantastic and amazing student experience like no other, which would not only help you in your career, in your interviews, but also shape and make you a better person slash more wise person, I would say. If you liked the video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to hear more of these. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching today's content, and I hope you have a fabulous and an idealistic university experience. Thank you.